For the filling, take a bowl, add 1 cup of boiled sweet corn kernels, 3/4 cup of chopped onions, 3/4 cup of grated cheese, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix all of these ingredients well. Then sprinkle some oregano or pizza seasoning and give it a good mix. The stuffing for the sandwich is now ready. Then apply green chutney over the slices of bread. You can click on the link above from the green chutney recipe. You can also find it in the comment box and in the description. This corn sandwich is cheesy and you will enjoy every bite you take. It is filling and you can eat it for breakfast, lunch or snacks. Now over the slice that we spread the green chutney, we will add in the fillings. One of the main nutritional benefits of sweet corn is its high fiber content. And as we know, dietary fiber is important for our health. It aids in digestion, it can decrease the risk of heart disease, strokes, etc. On top of that, fiber helps you stay fuller for longer. Smear the green chutney over the other slices as well and place it on top. You can cut the sides of the bread if you want to. The next step is to toast the sandwich. So put some butter on a pan or tawa and spread it across the pan. You can also use a griller or toaster to toast the bread. Once the butter has melted, place the sandwiches on the pan and we will toast both sides till it is golden brown and crispy. We should also make sure that the cheese melts. Use a spatula to press down on the bread slices. Then apply butter over the top portion of the bread and turn it over. Remove it from the pan and cut the sandwich into half or as the way you desire. Eat the sandwich while it is crispy and hot